Techniques, and today I'm going to show you a transformation using the Influence Mild Olive Oil Infused Relaxer. First, you want to section the hair in 4 quadrants and base the hairline and the scalp with a squeezable conditioning base. This is lanolin-free, it rinses out easily, and it doesn't impede the chemical process. Next, you'll begin your off-the-scalp application in the back right quadrant. First, outline the quadrant with relaxer, then starting at the top of the panel, take 1/4 sections and apply your relaxer. Repeat this in all 4 quadrants of the head. The processing time for the mild olive oil relaxer is 15 minutes, and the processing time for the regular olive oil relaxer is 20 minutes. The olive oil will coat the damaged outer layers of your hair and give them a sleeker, smoother, and healthier appearance. This relaxer also rinses out really easily. After rinsing out all of the relaxer, you want to gently towel blot the hair and apply our post-chemical infuser. You want to saturate the hair and let the post-chemical infuser sit for 5 minutes. This will aid in bringing down the hair's pH level after any chemical process and replenish vital nutrients that may have been lost. The post-chemical infuser is going to seal the cuticle of the hair, restore moisture, strengthen, and add a brilliant shine to the hair. After letting the post-chemical infuser process, do not rinse. You want to immediately follow up with a neutralizing shampoo. The neutralizing shampoo will act as a sealant to keep all of the nutrients from the post-chemical infuser in the hair. This shampoo has a color indicator to let you know if any relaxer has been left in the hair. You'll want to shampoo the hair 3 times and towel blot between each shampoo. Be sure to keep the hair as straight as possible while shampooing. On the 3rd shampoo, let the neutralizing shampoo sit on the hair for 5 minutes. After rinsing, you'll notice that the hair is tangle-free and has a brilliant shine. Next, we recommend using our multiplex conditioner. This conditioner is great for replenishing natural oils and protein lost during the chemical process. Our multiplex conditioner will add shine, detangle, and strengthen the hair. It also has anti-color fade protection for color-treated clients and can be used as a deep conditioner. After rinsing, bring your client back to the chair and use the Influence styling and finishing products of your choice. Before styling, I always like to start off with a little Thermosil. This is a great lightweight heat protectant that adds a lot of shine to the hair. Next, I'm going to use some firm holding spray, which is going to give the hair a nice pliable hold without the flaky buildup. It's great because you can reapply this spray and the hair will still have a soft feel. Last but not least, I'm going to use a little S3 spray, which is lightweight, adds a lot of shine, and eliminates frizz. I hope you guys enjoyed this transformation as much as I did, and I look forward to sharing more with you guys soon.